Good morning. Today we are going to discuss on the bond anchorage development length. What is bond? What is anchorage development length? Which is bond in RCC when the concrete is the bond between the refers to the adhesion between the shear stress and the compressive stresses between the concrete and the steel. Bond is the reason matches the steel and the concrete in the single unit within the cases. These assumptions simple beam theory at the plane sections are remain after the casting. In this drawing you see that what is the development length. The development length is needed for the bond between the concrete. This one, the top rods bent up with the bottom and the bottom rods top with the zip. In the second drawing you see the top rods bent out downwards directions. The established decide the bond between the concrete and the steel. The beam and the column is the family. This one. Development refers the length of the embedded in concrete beyond a point, preventing the slipping, ensuring the greater stability. It is necessary to embed this bar at column footing or column beam joint to smoothly transfer excess stresses reinforcement. Developed length does not carry any tension, distributes the stresses, create the strongest stresses. The developed length is refers to the length of the bars embedded to the concrete beyond the compressive stress, and we have to length provided for the bond to the column. That is the development. Important purpose of development. It is necessary and essential to provide the sufficient between the reinforcement and the concrete to act together. It means between both are act together for any stresses. Help to complete the stresses, transfers, maintain the stresses integrity and enable to carry the all the loads. The plane sections you see in this drawing, developed length beam is downward directions, developed top rod is downward direction, it is the main bars, and bottom rods also column it is to the upward directions. This is the development length. The development length as per the code of provisions we have to provided. The main bars in the code of provisions we will see next in this next slide. We will see the what are the classes included in this one. The classes 26.2.1 development length is the 4 sigma S4 pi D. The you see in this code of provisions, bottom rods to the upward direction, top rods to the bottom downward directions. From this, the developed length we have to provide a minimum length of 450 or minimum to this formula 4 by D and sigma by D. This is the formula we have to provide with the code of operations as per IS 456 26.2.1. The tau P is given the 26.2 bar 241. In this formula we have to use this one. If we are not provided, what will happen? The corner bars, you see in this corner or due to the excessive stresses, the corner will be cracks occurs. We provide development length, most will be break first, then the occurs first will occurs the breaking. Or due to the excess stresses, the corner will be cracked. Acting support mentors to how to calculate the pi sigma S given development length 1 compressive strength density of the concrete and the density of the lightweight used for the length must be you see the shear reinforcement provided for the joint between the two beams and the columns. You see coating of rebars. In the bars, the types of bars provided to 12 to 20 mm bars up to 22 bars. Anchorage length. Anchorage is the provided for the enter the length of the between the this one. Anchorage is bars provided. This is the anchorage bars. Anchorage is the straps we have to provide standard bends in the reinforcement. As per the code of provisions, we have to provide the hooks and everything. Thank you. We will see next video. Thank you. Hooks and everything. Thank you. We will see next video. Thank you. Next video.